All right, beautiful people on YouTube. All right, check this Buffalo Lightning. Played at a 5 cents denom, $5 bet. Check out the bonuses, what I rolled up. This is a pretty good machine. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye. All right, we got ourselves another Buffalo Lightning. 64 and 2 grand, 11,000 for the grand and 1,500 for the major. This is the 5 cents denom, $5 bet. And $200 in, see what we can make here. Hooks to the third. Right. Another one. Come on, coin. Two sunsets, half bet back. $1 back. Come on, coin. Alright. Not looking so good. Almost on the coin.
I do, that's my
Third. Yikes. Alright, we're now in the 1200s.
That's not really for bad last night.
Man, this is pretty bricky. Oh boy. Either or I could have got. Like a basic box in. All I give you. $90 or 120. 105. $125. 1232. 3 more. My point, yeah. Oh, almost match it back. For the Knights. Oh, I missed it right there. Oh, wow. Last one. Got $10 there. I guess they're making room back there or something. Huh? Yeah, I gotta 11 something. Lady cashed out about like 300, I think. Huh? Bell sounded I was gonna hit something. That's the one I want. The major. Ooh, 4 more. Huh? No. With a $10 one. Come on, coin. Ooh. 2,900. Oh, Screaming Eagles and the ladies. It's 37 cents. Oh. So close. Alright, let's go ahead and just put in 100 for now. We'll look for some money, come on. With the minute. Minor. Last one in. Oh, that was the last box. That was exciting. Oh man, they're gonna do this thing again. Oh. Come on, man. Pop your head out. Make it like that one more time. Oh, the 1,000. $210 bonus. Alright. Keep on plugging away. Ooh, 5 10s. Man, I needed that.
Telephone compliments, McDonald's, Miss Kiara. McDonald's, please.
Huh? Let's see how many you buy. And sprinkled a little 20s in there for us. How about 1,000? Minor ball. Yeah. Oh no. Ah. Alright, 285 bonus. That's not bad because it was like 300 previous and then 285. So we should stop. Kings. Oh. Come on, Wolves. Buffaloes are reeling up nicely in the first and second column.
Telephone call for Miss McDonald. Miss Kiara McDonald, please.
Four. Breaking us now. Come on, Buffaloes. Kings, one bet now. Bigger. I thought we sizzled for some reason. The other lady's machine. Oh, 11 buckaroos. Oh, come on, Buffaloes. Where are you? There you go. Pop your head out. Now we're in the 1400s.
What was your high water mark?
Yeah, like 5 something, I believe. Come on,
Ladies and
coin.
gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The poker room now has seating available for 3-5, no limit,
Oh.
Texas Hold'em.
Point
Thank
is
you.
hung right there. Lasso.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The poker room now has seating available for Omaha 8 or better. Thank you.
Omaha. Learn how to say it right. Omaha.
It's hard to say.
Oh, now they're breaking us by giving us a buffalo and a coin. Cougars. Nope. Back to the third reel again. Four more. $150. Elks. on, 3 more. Oh, that would have been sweet. Alright, we're in the 1500s. I'm like almost even. Well, I'm pretty much even. And I believe it's downhill from now on. Come on. Please, didn't make it all the way down. Come on, coin. Oh. So close. Oh, come on. Oh. The fake major. Ooh, 7 boxes. This machine is exciting. And it's not like kicking me down. But I need a bonus to get that. Just a little bit so I can get carried on. Screaming Eagles and Aces.
Telephone call for Mr. Exit. Mr. Jordan Exit, please.
That's a minor ball. Let's see that $1,000 box now. Oh, that bigger. Whoa, come on. Last one. Save. Oh, these bonuses are kicking. Well, I didn't know what this means, but
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have
hey,
your attention, please?
look at that.
The poker room now has seats
The
available
machine,
for
yeah, the
40
machine
minute
shut off.
Texas Hold'em. Thank you.
Oh yeah, oh shoots. Wow, hey, lucky thing I cleared out the miners before we had complications. So it says here, host disabled, and I believe all the games just got frozen. So maybe somebody kicked it. They just got to reset it. So I'll bring you guys back online once we get reset here. All right. All right, beautiful people in YouTube. We just up and running. All right, had to check my ticket and put it back in, and we are going to continue on. This is a sign that I'm gonna hit the grand, or lose everything I have in my meter. Yeah, either or. Oh, hooks, $10. Oh. Come on, coin. Got this. Massive sunsets. Whoa! That's nice. That's nice. And that's $30 times 54. Wow. I think the game got resetted for a purpose. For me to win today. Wow, look at that. That's 9, 10, 11 buffaloes.
May I have your attention, please? The poker room now
probably gonna be a hand paid for sure. Oh, 1600. Come on, Sunsets. Ooh. Coin. Alright, let me get hand paid here, and then we'll continue on. Look at my bonus 1600 more than the major. Yeah. Alright, let's get hand paid. Alright, we just got hand paid, and let's go ahead. Hand paid 766 on a meter, and I'm in for 300. Alright, let's go ahead and. There's gonna be a back-to-back bonus. Out of 10. I should let somebody else finish this. Or might have a little more life in it. So. We're almost at the end. Ooh, there, I said so. That's a good sign. Yeah. Alright, sizzled at 50.91. Massive sunset. Hey. They don't give me nothing, I understand. I understand. 3. Okay. I know this drill, you know, they gotta, that's the thing. Like I win $1. Yes! Win $1. Imagine if I came at the tail end and saw it. Alright, so that was it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.